vlog. So their main dining area was closed, so we had to go around to the drive-thru. I think it's still too early for people to go inside to eat, so we're just gonna go through the drive-thru.
There you go. You need a receipt today? All right. That's going to print out in just a second. Hey.
Oh, it was good. I guess it's like old photos of Athens, like right there was.
Yeah, that's downtown Athens. This is downtown Athens, where Shalasky used to be.
Oh wow!
And then this is the City Hall, that building there, which is downtown also. This is like a picture of downtown. And of course, that's a Shalasky sandwich. And of course, up there, there's UGA arches.
Y'all, she grew up at Athens. She knows her stuff. Is this actually pretty good? You want to try? Go.
I did on camera, did you?
Yeah. Oh, that was nice. So hot. Walk through a bookstore and you just see your book on the shelf, like that's my dream. What's that about?
A mystery about this photographer works full-time as a nanny for a wealthy family.
Yeah.
Hidden distractions, forbidding love. So I guess it's a hint of mystery and
romance.
Story, yeah.
You're not a fan of romance, are you?
Not really.
Thank you.
And as a matter of fact,
Yay, my packages came. Hey guys. Hey Autumn. Bye Autumn. Hi baby. Hi. You wanna come out and play? Come on. Come on. Hey sweetie. Oh, I thought you were gonna run outside. Hey baby, come here. Oh, there he goes, guys. Whoa. No. She said, I want a snacky treat, and so does Theo. He said, I want one. And Autumn, you want one? They do this every time, y'all. We come home.
All right, Autumn. There's your treat.
Oh, that looks good. Y'all, it looks good, but she dropped it on the way in.
I sure did, but I'm gonna still eat them.
Yeah, it looked good. Oh, goodness. A lot of food. We're just gonna feast. Chick-fil-A, Cinnabon, my mom's gonna put on a pizza. We're just gonna eat it till we bust. Ah! I saw a bug.
So, how do I do this, Hannah? I'm gonna. Oh, it's like a little cat food. Kill it. Some of them are my strawberry plants that I feel like a joke, but don't do them.
Are you scared?
Camera shot.
No. Ah, he won't go. Of course, I'll get the one that's stuck.
Just off the bottom.
Yeah.
I pushed it up. And then gently wiggle it out. Good. You pop and then you wiggle. See how you... Damn it, Jim. You don't squeeze. Don't squeeze. Oh, and then you hold you.